this is a neutral safety switch. Eventually I need to get it from dealer, a new one. Alright, this is the new ECM from dealer too. You know, the used one, it was not be able to reprogram it, so I had to get it from dealer, and it's from Japan. And this is the safety switch. It's located right here, and so yeah, this is the right here. All right, so let me put everything in position. There you go. All right, air filter, tighten it up, all connection, it's ready. And the ECM and the battery, and of course the safety switch is beneath the battery. Everything is ready. Now it's the scary part. Oh my god. The scary part is this one. Ooh. Oh my god. Ooh. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god.